Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on with Vivo latest smartphone Vivo Y31. Vivo launched the Y31 in India at a price tag of Rs 10,990 and it is available offline as well as online. Talking about the smartphone, it comes with 4.7-inch HD IPS display. It has a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. You will not find any problem while with the display while using it. Above above the display there is a Vivo branding, sensors, speaker grill, and a 2 megapixel front camera for selfie and video calling. Below the display there are capacity buttons. And this is a menu button, home button and back button. On the right hand side there is a power key and volume rocker button. At the back it has 8 megapixel camera with LED flash with a Vivo branding and speakers. Removing the back panel gives you access to 2100 mAh battery. It can be easily removed and it has a dual SIM card slot and micro SD card slot. By using micro SD card slot you can expand the memory up to 128 GB. The back panel is made up of polycarbonate and it has a glossy finish which provides the phone a premium feel. It doesn't look like a budget phone or a cheap phone when you look at it. It's the back panel offers you a pretty good premium feel, and when you hold this smartphone in your hands you will get a premium feel. It can be easily operated with one hand. Clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to only the notifications which you saw. Tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings, and this phone is powered by MediaTek quad-core processor which clocks at 1.3 GHz. It runs on Android version 5.1 with FunTouch OS 2.1 on top of it. It carries the model number Y31 which I already shared with you, and it comes with the connectivity features as you find in other smartphones. Usual connectivity features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. And above all, it has 8 GB of internal memory, which is a bit disappointment, but you can expand the memory up to 128 GB, which is quite big. Out of 8 GB, only 4.49 GB is available for user. So you have, if you like to store many songs or movies, then you need expandable memory, and for this you can use the micro SD card. It comes preloaded with some of the applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, WPS Office, Vivo Cloud, etc. At the price tag of nearly 11,000, it looks a pretty good smartphone and will compete with other smartphone. And it comes with Smart Vac 2.0 and Super Screenshot features. We'll share more about the device in upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any other video. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.